Hello! Today I'm making this delicious chicken and pasta salad that has this wonderful Asian-inspired dressing. Here are the ingredients that you'll need, which I also have listed below. I'll start by preheating my oven to 425 degrees and lightly spraying this baking dish. I heavily sprinkle lemon pepper seasoning all over the chicken on both sides. I bake it for 23 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees. To a large pot of boiling water, I add half a pound of bowtie pasta and cook it according to the package instructions. Now I'll mince 1 large garlic clove, a fourth a cup of sugar, half a cup of olive oil, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of sesame seeds, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, two tablespoons of rice vinegar, and half a teaspoon of sesame seed oil. Whisk it really well until it's all incorporated and the sugar dissolves. To my large bowl, I add the cooked and drained bowtie pasta, half a cup of sunflower seeds, a can of sliced and drained water chestnuts, a can of bean sprouts drained, three tablespoons of sesame seeds, a small package of baby spinach, and I pour the dressing all over it. Now that the chicken is done, I let it slightly cool. I chop it into bite-sized pieces. I toss everything together again really well. Make sure the dressing coats everything. Cover and refrigerate the salad for at least an hour. And now it's time to serve this delicious pasta and chicken salad. I hope you give it a try. It's really delicious, and I will see you on the next video.